Hello everyone, Dr. Carrie Scarf here again. Many people are contacting us to find out why their hearing aids have stopped working, so I thought I'd review the top 3 reasons why hearing aids might stop working. Number 1, first of all, you need to ensure that you have a good power source to the hearing aids. Make sure a fresh battery is being used or that the hearing aids have been properly charged. I'll make some videos to show these items in more detail, so check back soon. Second, you need to be sure that there isn't anything blocking the opening that allows the sound to come from the hearing aid into the ear. If you do see something, you'll need to clean it out with the little brush or the little pick that we gave you when you got your hearing aids. And finally, the filter underneath the dome may need to be changed. Take off the dome and check to see if this is the case. I'll post another video with step-by-step instructions on how to change the filter. These are the top 3 reasons why hearing aids stop working. Contact us by phone or email for more help to find out more details about what exactly to do if you need our help. Be healthy and stay well. Thank you.